Today, I'm going to show you how to mute the audio in your Canva video, whether it's just a specific clip or all audio in the entire project. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your video project in Canva and click on the audio clip or video clip in the timeline that you want to mute. Once it's selected, look at the top toolbar for the speaker icon. Here you can drag the slider to the left to mute the audio clip, or click on the speaker icon to mute that specific clip. It's super quick and easy, but wait. If you want to mute all audio in the project, you can do that too. Just click on the mute all option. This will mute all clips in the project at once. And if you want to adjust the volume after muting, just click on the speaker icon again and adjust the volume with the slider. And that's it. You've successfully muted the audio in your Canva video, whether it's just one clip or everything. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips.